ngicela ukukunikeza ihint, ngicela ukukunikeza i-observation pointer, ngicela ukukunika i-clue yokuthi you are not heading towards the right direction. Yabona uma unempilo full of excitement time to time, believe you me, you are not heading towards the right direction. The boring life produces results. The life where you have to repeat one and the same thing over and over again to the point of being in an autopilot, automatic, it's nothing exciting, I've been doing this and I go on doing it. An exciting life comes from a very boring life. Keep on doing one and the same thing over and over again. Once your life starts to be more exciting time to time, you are excited, full of excitement. What are you excited about time to time? You don't have a boring life. It means there is nothing that you are consistent with. You're overstimulated ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingile lo changes akasha uthi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani. Ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho sisuka khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Kunenkinga yokuba overstimulated. Sengazuthi time to time ungalokhu sika i-pleasure, into ezoku excite, into ezokunika lo vavavum to the point yokuthi khona abantu abangakwazi ukuhlala nabo, behlale nje nabo. It's like they need someone or they need to go somewhere, yabo, ukuze impilo yabo ibe stimulated. They don't want to stick with the process. Bafuna makakas njalo nje. Bafuna makakas. Yabona impilo yakho yakhiwa izinto eziningi ezihlukene. Ekumele ukuthi ube nesystem yazo. Uziphinda phinde njalo. At some point you are going to reap ama fruits alokho.